Hi all, let's have a new chapter. But take a moment. Have you ever thought how children resonate with our actions? Let's see how children coordinate their behavior according to elders' habits and responses. Babies often cry to get their things done. With time, we learn their needs and recognize their cries, which is specific and which is not. No advice and suggestion will help to handle baby cries. It is through our experience that we get to handle our child. Children express their needs through the same mechanism. Sounds surprising, but that's the truth. Children condition their behavior to regulate elders' attention and care. Many studies and experiments have been found positive on the same. Just take our own baby for example. When we are somewhere around the baby, they just make a cooing sound or blabbers to call our attention. But if they are amidst strangers and they can't find you, they just give a hell of cries without any prior calls. If they just need to be taken and consoled, anyone could do that. But the baby seeked your presence, and when that failed, they sent their alarming call. In about 1-year-old children, this conditioned behavior is tested in feelings too. When they ask for a toy and you get things done, they are happy with your approach. When you are busy and takes time to get their toy, they ask for it louder. Even when that fails, they cries out and you get their things done just to have a peace of mind. When this condition repeats for several times, normally they will stop polite ways of cutting things and use stubborn cries and means to get things done. Parents often fail to understand that their child learned their stubbornity in the course of time and not in a nice dream. The conditioned behavior is found in the way they deal with elders too. If they find that something annoys you, they just avoid doing such things. And if they are not pleased with you, they'll use the same thing to annoy you. Parents learn their children through experience. Same way, children learn to react to the world from their primary knowledge, that is at home. So, many bad habits can be eradicated by understanding conditioned behavior. When your child does something wrong, they are innocent enough to come and say what they've done. It is through action and reaction that they get encouraged or discouraged to talk to us. Suppose my kid tore a piece of paper and came to tell me the same. I found that it was from his notebook, and that's not a good thing to welcome. But if I shout at him and threaten not to repeat it, he will understand that his action made me angry. If this repeats 2-3 instances, automatically the fear is created and the brain calls for alternate options like hiding the wrong thing and starts telling lies. One big lie can be covered only through many small lies. Eventually they get spared and they make it a habit to tell lies. When we find this bad habit, it would be too late to correct easily. At the same time, think alternatively. When he tore the book and I honored his honesty, his brain wouldn't seek alternate options. At a later stage, we can distract them and stop them from repeating what's done through some kind talks. So, our children is the reflection of our own parenting. If we can offer some light, we never know how far their ladder to success extend. Be with them. Let our actions be the soil for their flowers.